The Observer's World, The Mystery of Our Existence by Sijia. Our world is full of mysteries, and scientists relentlessly explore these mysteries. Everyone knows Newton. He studied astronomy and physics, discovering that the universe operates with strict order, like a precise clock. One day, Newton's friend Halley visited his home and saw a model of the solar system. Halley was amazed and asked Newton, "Who made this model?" Newton joked, "It formed itself." Halley laughed and said, "That's impossible. Such a precise model must have been designed by someone." Newton replied, "If such a simple model needs a designer, doesn't the universe, which is infinitely more complex, need an almighty creator?" Newton believed that there must be a great designer behind the universe. As he delved deeper into the study of celestial mechanics and natural laws, he became more convinced that such order couldn't arise by chance but must come from a creator of infinite wisdom. He once said, "When I observe the precise distance between the sun and the earth, allowing the earth to receive the right amount of light and heat, it is by no means accidental." Many years later, another great scientist, Einstein, also developed a keen interest in the nature of the universe and matter. His research revealed an even more mysterious phenomenon, the wave-particle duality. This phenomenon tells us that the smallest units of matter are particles, and these particles can exhibit two states. When we observe them, they behave like tiny stones, solid and stable, but when no one is observing, they turn into wave-like energy, intangible and elusive. This means that the observer's presence influences the behavior of particles, a discovery known as the observer effect. It makes us reconsider reality. Are our observations truly creating reality? Even more astonishing is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. This means that two particles, even if separated by countless light-years, can still instantaneously affect each other's state. Just like a pair of twins, no matter how far apart they are, there is always a mysterious force connecting them. This seems to suggest that there is a hidden, powerful force in the universe that connects all things. This connection not only happens in the microscopic world but also affects the lives of each one of us. Are we, too, connected to others, or even the entire universe, through some invisible bond? These scientific discoveries show that our understanding of the universe is still very limited. 99% of the matter in the universe is the invisible dark matter, which we can only understand indirectly through scientific instruments and mathematical formulas. This makes one wonder whether the force that created all of this goes beyond the scope of our current science. Scientists like Newton and Einstein, through their exploration of celestial mechanics and particle behavior, grew more and more convinced that there is a great designer behind the universe. Einstein's theory of relativity also presented a limitation, namely that the speed of light is constant. This means that no matter how hard we try, matter and information cannot surpass the speed of light. This cosmic law seems to establish an invisible boundary for us, limiting our activities in both space and time. It makes one ponder, why is everything in the universe designed this way? Do these limits represent a higher intention or purpose? Newton once said, "When I observe the solar system, I see the traces of God." This shows us that science and faith do not conflict but can complement each other. Science helps us uncover the superficial laws of the physical world, while faith allows us to see the mysterious force behind these laws. This view leads us to understand the world not only on a material level but also to explore the meaning of life from a spiritual perspective. Scientists today estimate that the Earth formed around 4.6 to 5 billion years ago. The vast starry sky beyond the Earth's atmosphere has existed for even longer. However, has all of this existence within the dimension of time already been foreseen by a creator who transcends time and space? He created the sun, the planets, the Earth, and even bestowed life. From this perspective, science is not only exploring the laws of the material world but also glimpsing the Creator's blueprint of design. When we walk along the road, feel the wind on our faces, see the clouds drifting, and trees swaying in the wind, we might think all of this is completely natural. However, when we are not present, do these phenomena continue to exist? The quantum observer effect reveals that our existence is closely tied to the shape of reality. Is it only when we are present that reality takes form? This line of thought raises a deeper question. Is the world we live in one that only exists when it is observed? Perhaps our universe is like a meticulously designed virtual reality, where each element in the scene is only activated when the observer is present. When no one is observing, these phenomena may be like unobserved particles, lurking within the fluctuations of energy, awaiting the next observation to activate them. This idea may seem like science fiction, but it prompts us to rethink the very nature of existence. Is the creator like a programmer who designed this vast virtual universe, setting all the laws and operational logic, with our existence being a part of this cosmic program? Are we the observers of this world, who, through our consciousness, make this world a concrete reality? Today's scientific explorations continue to uncover ancient civilizations in Earth's history, challenging our understanding of history and prompting us to rethink the meaning of religious scriptures. Perhaps the ancient doctrines we once regarded as myth actually conceal more undiscovered cosmic truths. So, what is the true meaning of human existence? Why did the Creator create us? What is the value of our lives in this vast universe? These questions undoubtedly drive us to constantly seek answers and try to understand the purpose of our existence. Next, Sijia will discuss with you a deeper question: why do we live? What is the true meaning of our coming to this world, this time and space? These questions may help us uncover the true value and purpose of our lives. If you also like Sijia's reflections, feel free to subscribe to Embracing Dawn of Faith. You will receive spiritual reflections, insights on life and living, and stories of growth. Join our little flower mission as we, together, find inner peace and wisdom on this journey of self-discovery and love. Looking forward to meeting you in the dawn of faith.